Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to create an AI funnel that is completely run by AI agents. So what that means? It means that from collecting the data, then scraping that data and personalizing all the information, and then even calling the prospect to give them their personalized pitch, all this thing will be taken care by AI agents. So without further ado, let's look into a demo. So the funnel is something like this. People will come to this landing page and then they'll submit the information here. So if I just do this, submit my phone number, email, company name, business industry, and the website URL, right? If someone will do this, as soon as I press submit, let's see what's going to happen. Hello.
Hey, this is Nick, your personal AI assistant, calling on behalf of OriginX AI. Is this a good time to chat real quick, Fahad Rahman?
Yeah, it's great time to chat. But what does the company do?
Cool. So we at OriginX AI specialize in providing AI voice solutions. Basically, we offer AI voice agents that can answer calls, qualify leads, and even book appointments. It's all about enhancing business efficiency and making sure you never miss an opportunity. Would you want to hear a bit more about any of these?
Yeah, sure. Why should I choose you?
All right. Great question. So you should choose us because we offer next generation AI solutions that replace missed calls with increased sales.
Okay, so yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Fahad Rahman.
Now, as you can see, it not just called me, but it had all the information that is on my website. So basically, as soon as I gave my information, especially when I gave my website, it went there, it scraped my website, and it generated a summary for my website. And all of this is happening right inside of GoHighLevel. So we are using GoHighLevel as the CRM, and then we triggered Retell AI to make the phone call where our AI voice agent is. And you have already heard the voice call. It was like very seamless, in my opinion. And the most important thing was this personalized demo. They took my company name and everything, and based on that, the call was customized. So before building this, we need to understand what exactly we want from this entire funnel itself, without even talking about the AI agents. What I want from this funnel is if someone comes here on the landing page, they don't book an appointment, then they might want to get a demo. From giving them a demo, I will get in return their information so that I can in future follow up with them, send them emails, calls, and try to just sell my services in the future. Now, in order for them to give me their information, I need to give them something in return. So I'm going to give them a demo of my service directly so that they can understand, okay, this is what I'm getting right now without even paying something. Once we will be in a deal and I'll pay something, the product will be even better. Now, what I want is after they send the information, I'm going to take you on this whiteboard to explain it much clearly. Here they come from an ad, then they go to our landing page, then they come on the form that they give their information. What I want is after they give their information, I want to take their website, scrape their website, and then feed it in a chat GPT to summarize it and create a knowledge base out of it. Once I have the knowledge base, I'm going to feed it to the AI voice agent, and this will make the AI voice agent completely custom for them. Because now this AI voice agent that will call them as a role-playing AI agent, it will say that I'm speaking from your company, and it will have all the information that is on their website. So given they have like correct information on their website, and I'm like very sure that if they are giving their website here, then definitely their website will be pretty legit. If not, then they will have a bad experience, and it's nothing on me or the AI voice agent. Now we will feed this data into this, and we will also feed the other form details, so name, phone number, and all those data into the AI voice agent as well. And together with all these things, the AI voice agent will make a phone call to the prospect, and then the prospect will talk to it, and it will have a very good experience, hopefully, inshallah. So this is our goal. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna achieve it. So we're gonna use two softwares. First, GoHighLevel, and the second, Retell AI. GoHighLevel because you need a platform to manage all your leads. Once you have 100, 200, 500 leads, you need to manage them. It just make it very easy. You can white label GoHighLevel as well. So yeah, and the AI voice agent will get built on Retell AI. So first, let's actually build the form. So that's the form. So this form right here, we are going to build this. So I'm gonna go inside my GoHighLevel. So go to your GoHighLevel account, click on sites, and then this form we will host it on our site as well, uh, right? And you will click on form builder. Let's see. Okay, let it load. This is the workflow. I'm gonna explain it in a second. So this is the form. I'm just gonna open it and show you what exact fields you need to have. You will just click on add a new form, and then you will get a template form that you can use, but you need to add a couple of things. All right, just let it load. Okay, so this is the form. You can play with the aesthetics of the form, like change the color and stuff. I'm not going to show you that. So as you can see, some of the things you can add from here. So you can just drag this full name, you will drop it like this, and it will add. I already have a full name, that's why it's not adding. So you add the full name, you add the phone, you add the email, and then for company name, you will add this right here. This says organization. You will add this, and then you will change it to company name. And business industry website. Okay, I think you can add the website. Yeah, add the website. And for business industry, what you're gonna do, you will click on custom fields, and here you will click on add, and then you will click on add like this, and then you will click single line, next, and here you will name it as business industry, because we need this to give the AI voice agent more context. So here you will write business industry, object will be contact, and the group will be just general information, and then save it. So after you do that, you will get a field like this. It will say business industry. You will add that. This is like specific to us. We don't necessarily use this for the AI voice agent. This is just for us. Oh, where it is. Get that back. Okay, yeah, cool. So this is how you are going to create a form, and then you can create a website on GoHighLevel, and you can integrate this form there, right? You should know this. If you don't know, just go on YouTube, search it up, do that, create a form, and then come back. And then yeah, you need to save it, of course. Basically, I'm saying whatever fields you want to have, you can add those as well. But yeah, as you can see, like I have added business industry as a custom field. Now we also want to add one more custom field, which is website summary. So now you have to go back. Just proceed. Mine is good. I don't need to change it. You will come here, you will click on settings, then you will go down and you will click on custom fields. Here you click on add fields. It is literally the same, single line, multi-line, do multi-line next, and then you will name it as website summary, and then basically you will again put it inside general information and save it. I'm not gonna save it because I already have this. Now what we want, if we go back here and see from the form, we want the information to go to our agent. This is our AI agent. Call the prospect. This is going to be our AI agent, or rather, this is going to be the action that will trigger the AI agent inside of Retell AI, because we are going to create the AI agent inside Retell AI. Now let's do this part, and at last we will finish the AI voice agent, and then yeah, then we will just test it. So the trigger will be form submitted. So how you add a trigger, you just click here, and then you will search for form. So you will click here, and here you will search form. Yeah, so form submitted, you will select that, and then I'm just going to open this one. Form is, and you are going to select the name of the form that you have like named it. I named it this, so I'm going to select this one. No, I have this one available, and then now you don't need to add an action to create a new contact, because the contact is going to get created automatically. Now what we want is, before making the phone call, we want to get their website and scrape it. This is going to be very easy. A lot of people complicate this. Like you can send the website to n8n and then you can get it back, and but it will unnecessarily increase the token cost and everything. I'm going to show you a very cool trick. Like, this is super easy, but I'm going to tell you this as well. This is not the most highest quality way to do it, but who cares? You're just giving a demo. So you will click on this plus icon and you will search up custom webhook. So you click on this right here. This is where's the plus sign, and here you will search custom webhook. So like this one, custom webhook, and you will click on it. You will open that, and then as you can see, name it whatever you want. The event will be custom, and the method will be get. And here, what you want to get all the data from their website, all you have to do is just provide with the link to their website. So we want to provide it dynamically, right? And on our form, we are already asking for the website, and that is why we were asking for the website. Now, here, the way you will add it is you will click on this tag icon, and here you will just search website. And don't do the account website, do the contact website, and like this kind of uh, JSON will appear here, and you will leave it like that. Now we are feeding basically the website link dynamically. If you want to see this in action, you can test it, but just provide a real website link. So for example, just copy this right here and provide it like this, and then you can click on test, and it will give you all the data from your website, and it will be it will look like a gibberish to you, because it's not what you can understand. It's like complete HTML. We're gonna have to convert it into markdown so that the AI agent can understand it even better, and like we can summarize it. But yeah, this step, then so we have now scraped the website of this prospect. Now we want to take that data, clean it, and summarize it, and then we will send it to the AI agent. So again, you will click on the plus icon, and here you will search open AI. So you will get this, you will click on that, and then once you're inside that, something like this will open up. To zoomed in, yeah, name whatever you want. Model 4.0 will be enough. I think 4.0 mini will be even better if it saves you cost. And then the action type will be custom, and here you will put a prompt like this. You know what, I'm gonna just copy this, and I'm gonna open my notes and paste it right here so that you guys can see this. Let me just make it smaller, and like this. Okay, I think you guys can see this. Just copy it, everything. Here will be custom, and all the like this data is dynamic, and all this data will be the same. Here it will be different. I'm gonna show you how it will be. So you're gonna go to your prompt, right? And here, okay, and here you will click on this again tag icon. You will look for your custom webhook, and it says scrape website, this one, and this response. You wanna click on it, and it will give you this. You just copy that, and you will paste it right here. Okay, so I've given you the prompt, and keep everything same. You can dumb down the temperature to even 0, because the AI doesn't need to do any creative work. So you can even take it to 0. But yeah, I think 0.2 is good. Let's just, yeah. Now this part is optional. You can add it to a new field, but we can directly get this to here. We don't necessarily need this. So yeah, I'm gonna just skip this, but if you want, I showed you how you can like I showed you to create this website summary, right? Website, let's see, yeah, website summary, uh custom field. So there is where I'm feeding this. I'm just gonna show you guys as well, but yeah, I'm not gonna like show you from scratch, because this is just an optional thing. You can, or you cannot do. It's all up to you. So here I selected my custom field, and I gave the chat GPT response inside it. We can directly use that response here. Now we actually want to trigger the AI voice agent. Now we can actually start building the AI voice agent, and then we'll basically get everything, the data from here, and we will trigger this AI voice agent to make the phone call. Okay, now if I talk about this AI voice agent, again, I'm going to do the same for you guys to copy this as well. All right, I think you guys can see the complete. It's too tiny. Okay, so, all right, so this is, you can leave this where it says, you can leave this, it's not really necessary. Okay, this is the prompt. You guys can copy this. So as you can see, our goal is to conduct a demo call, right? And the AI agent is going to act as a representative for their company, right? And then if for some reason they are not able to, you know, engage at that moment, we will just do a follow up with them. Now, this is the most important part, the things that we need, dynamic variables. So we need their name, number, email, company name, business industry. This is very important. Just you will provide your AI voice agent the business industry, and it will have so much context on how to talk to the prospect. It'll provide the website, but it's not going to automatically scrape the website and get the information. The information of the website is here. It's actually here in the knowledge base. Then you can like read this on your time. I'm not gonna waste it. This is like particularly for me, based on my research and everything, and for my industry. So yeah, you need to do your own research for your industry, but yeah, you are like you are feel free to copy this entirely. But yeah, now on these settings side of things, I haven't changed anything. Like I'm literally leaving it. You can just add an end call function, and then add the end call function right here. The way you call any function inside these AI voice agent is pretty simple. After the call, you are just going to say something like, and call the end call function. Just that. Pretty simple. As you can see, I wrote and call the end call function. This is how you call the end call function, or any kind of function for that matter. And we really don't need any more custom functions here, right? So this is right there. Knowledge base, we are dynamically feeding the knowledge base, so we are not going to add any kind of knowledge base. You can keep the responsiveness to 1. Interruption sensitivity, I like to keep it to 0.9. And then there should be a background noise, you know, like a coffee shop. Coffee shop is good. I like the coffee shop one. Someone is okay, kharsho. Then transcription setting, just leave it to like, it will slow your agent down, so just leave it like that. Your AI agent is going to be pretty good at handling these things. Call setting, again, you feel free to copy my settings, but yeah, no post call analysis data right now. We can do it, maybe I'll show you in a later video. Yeah, no webhook settings, just very simple, plain and raw, because this is like the base I'm giving. You can do multiple different things with it. You can have a follow-up system. You can have like complete email campaign for these guys who are filling out the form on your landing page. I'm just showing you how to ignite this, how to start the process, you know, of them filling out the form and then doing the rest of the things via AI agent. So yeah, now where were we? Okay, the AI agent is done. This prompt will inshallah work perfectly. Just copy paste this, and here you will write as the user initiate the call, or you can also have it where the AI begins it. Yeah, you can have it, or do this. AI begins with a dynamic message, so it will just use this message as the dynamic message. So it's like, hi, this is your AI assistant calling on behalf of their company name. So if it will call me on from my company, it will say, hi, I'm your AI assistant calling on behalf of OriginX AI. Let's just name it, you know, the AI assistant sound. Your AI is, hi, I am, hi, this is Max. Max is a good name. Let's name it Nick. This is Nick. Um, your AI, your personal, your personal AI assistant. Hi, this is Nick. My God, this is Nick, your personal. Whoa. Okay, there needs to be a comma. Hi, this is Nick, your personal AI assistant, calling on behalf of company name. You know what? I'm gonna just quickly do something which will make this even better. So this is like prompt engineering 101. Just go to any kind of LLM model, paste this in, and just say, lately what I have been doing is, instead of typing it out, I'm just like speaking to this AI agent. Take this prompt and make it sound more human. Add filler words like ums and uhs, and do it according to the website retailai.com, according to their API documentation, because we are using this script inside of a prompt or a system prompt inside an AI voice agent that we have built inside retailai.com. Let's see. Sip some orange juice. Let's see. Looks good. Okay, I'm using too powerful model. It didn't actually needed O3. I think. Okay, right now if it is using O3, I think 4.5 is working pretty good, the GPT model. But yeah, even 4.0 is good enough. O3 is quite good. Like I tried to generate this prompt, where it is, the prompt I showed you for summary of the website. The prompt that O3 generated versus the prompt that I guess 4.0 generated was like the difference was night and day. So yeah, the prompt was quite good. Let's see what this comes up with. What I'm trying to do is here, instead like this text being too like bland, as you can see, is like, hi, this is Nick, your personal AI. It should be like, hi, this is Nick, your personal AI assistant calling on behalf of OriginX AI. This is this, something like that, to sound even more human. um okay, still thinking. Quite good. You need to get a 10 citation including. Okay. Okay, let's just use 4 4.5. What I want to do is tell it to return in a markdown format. Turn in a markdown format like the example I have provided. I hope it doesn't change the text there because it's quite good. It's not giving me markdown format. I don't know why. Um all right. Hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. There is a platform, this one. Just use this will convert this into a markdown format. All right, I was testing some things. Now, as you can see, yep, this is perfect. Let's go here. Where were we? All right. Okay, this looks much better. Okay, I need to do a couple of more changes here. Just gonna paste this one, and from here I want it to use the services like this. All right. Yep. Okay, copy this. Instead of like service 1 2 3, um, we'll remove this completely, you know and we'll have this right here based on the knowledge base. Yep, knowledge base. We can use the knowledge base. Yep, quite good. It will have access to the knowledge base. Just see, it will be quite amazing. Okay, let's just remove this. I think this will sound a lot human. Okay, which all right, this is good. Our AI agent is done. Now the final part is to actually trigger this AI voice agent that we created on Retell via GoHighLevel. So via our CRM, or the place where we have our data, we need to send that data to this AI voice agent and trigger it to make the phone call to them. How we are going to do it? After this summarization of website, you will add one new action, and it will be the same as the first action, that is custom webhook. And I'm gonna open this. Here again, custom, the method will be post, not get. It will be post, and you need this URL. How you will get this URL? You just go to Retell AI documentation. Drink. So here you will go, and then you will click on API references, and this first one, create phone call, and you will just copy this. Go back to your GoHighLevel account, and you will paste it. You know, it's literally the same. That's why. Then this will be bearer token, and you will come here and click on create new key, name it Retell AI, and then the key you will get from your Retell AI account. Go to your Retell AI account, and then here, let me just duplicate this. Okay, here, go back. And you will click on keys right here, and then you will just copy this key right here. You will go back to your GoHighLevel account, you will paste it, and you will click on create, and your API key will be created. Now this right here, just copy this as it is. Don't try to do anything else. First, just copy this, make it work as it is, and then you can add whatever you want. What we are doing, so the from number is going to be the number that we are going to use to call. So we need to use a number from Retell AI. So you'll come here, click on phone number, and you will get a phone number. You'll click on this plus icon, and you can buy a new phone number. Once you get a phone number, you need to copy the ID. What is the ID in Retell AI? Is literally the entire phone number in this format with this the plus and the 1. You will copy that, and from phone number you will paste that. Contact phone number, you will do this contact.phone. Agent ID, you'll go back to your AI agent. Here it says Retell AI and agent. Just click on this, copy that, come back here and paste your agent ID. Now you will add some dynamic variable here. Name will be contact.name. How I'm getting this, just you will come here. When you will write contact, you will automatically get this, and then you will click on plus, and it will add this. So contact name for email, contact email, company name, contact.company name, business industry. This is a custom field that we added, right? And then website, we are going to give it the website as well. And the knowledge base, this is important. Here, we'll come here, and you will search up for this. So write chat. You will write chat GPT. You will get, maybe it will say .2, maybe it will say .3. You need to track that this response is from the card that you created or the action that you created for summarizing the entire website. So do that, and then you will just use this GPT response, right? Okay, there should be no comma after this. If this is the last element, you don't need to have any commas there. And I think that's pretty much it. If you do everything correctly and just copy me as I did, you should, like, this should be working. Now the final thing is testing it. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited. All right, so let's just test this out completely. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, and then I'm gonna fill out my information. So my phone number. Okay, I'm gonna get the phone number from there. Let's just use this. Company name, I'm gonna write GHL AI agency. Actually, it's going to be what it is. It's an AI agency. Website URL. So I'm gonna just feed this URL itself. Where did I find you guys? It's others. Check this box. Check the box. Phone number is the most important thing. Let me get my number. Okay, this one right here. This is toll free. Okay. All right. Sounds awesome. Let's just see what happens. Right. Okay, so while it's doing its thing, I'm just gonna quickly explain what's happening. So we did submit the form. It's taking a bit of time because it's going to scrape the website. It's going to summarize the website, and it's going to put it that summary inside a custom field that we created. And as you can see, the field has already been populated. Let me just open it completely. If I come here and open it, All right, as you can see, it has been completely opened, and you can see it has already populated the information from my website, and I'm gonna test it as well to see. Okay, I'm getting a call. Hello.
This is Nick, your personal AI assistant, calling on behalf of GHL AI agency. Is this a good time to chat real quick, Fahad?
Yeah, this is a great time to chat.
Cool. So we specialize mainly in AI voice agents that answer, qualify, and book appointments using data-driven conversations tailored for businesses. Would you, want to hear a bit more about any of these?
Um, just my question is like, there are so many guys doing this. Why should I choose you guys?
Right. Totally get that. So what makes us stand out is that we help businesses stop missing revenue from unanswered calls by instantly replacing unreliable receptionists with AI solutions. Our AI voice agents are designed to secure every booking and sale, filling your calendar and boosting your ROI. It's all about making sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. Does that sound like something that could help your business?
Yeah, definitely. That sounds really awesome.
Awesome. Awesome. I'm so glad you think so. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Fahad. I'll shoot you a quick text recap of our conversation after we hang up. Before we
Sure.
wrap up, anything else you'd like me to note down?
No,
Great.
everything's awesome.
I'll send you a quick text.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Fahad, thanks again for your time. I'll send you a quick text recap shortly.
Mm-hmm.
Have an awesome day.
Right, thank you. As you saw, like the main thing that we wanted was like have it completely personalized based on our industry or whoever submits the form. Now, if there was a person who had a dental clinic or who have a website, oh sorry, who have a like solar agency or real estate agency, whatever it is, if they have filled out their form, it would have information about that. It would have completely unique knowledge base, not the same one, and it will act as if it is calling for from their company. So this was pretty successful, and I really enjoyed creating this. I hope you guys also enjoyed this. Now, if you want the system directly, you can either join the GHL AI agency community where you can have access to this. You can join it like free, or you can pay for it. By free, you're gonna have to use the affiliate link. I want to keep the community as like very closed, that all the people there are using GoHighLevel. And anyway, if you are a business owner, you want to work with us, check the description below. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And yeah, wait for the next one.